air breathing life into a language? So let's start the poll, man.
Hey, I was just how you were doing. What's up?
My first question is, what is air?
I'm Maya, your AI companion from Sesame. What did you mean by here, though? Are you asking about the app you're using or something else?
Maya, answer my question. What is air?
Sorry, I misunderstood. You wanted me to answer the question, not confirm this here. You asked, what is air? Air is the mixture of gases around Earth that we breathe, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, plus some other gases like argon and carbon dioxide. It's pretty essential for most life on the planet. Pretty basic stuff, but good question.
Okay. My second question is, why is air important for life?
Well, without air, we wouldn't be able to breathe. Pretty straightforward. But it's more than that. Air contains oxygen, which our bodies use to get energy from food. Plants need carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis to grow, and photosynthesis is what produces the oxygen we breathe. It's kind of a beautiful cycle, actually. Pretty essential stuff all around.
Okay. My third question is, can humans survive without air?
No, humans can't survive without air. Our bodies need oxygen constantly, and that comes from the air we breathe. We can only survive a few minutes without oxygen before our brains and organs start to shut down. It's really not long at all.
My fifth question is, why do we need oxygen?
Okay, so it's actually the fourth question, but let's go with it. We need oxygen because our bodies turn food into energy. Essentially, oxygen helps break down the sugars and fats we eat in a process called cellular respiration. That's what fuels everything we do: thinking, moving, even just staying alive. No oxygen, no energy, and definitely no you or me. Does that make sense?
What gases are found in air?
Air is mostly nitrogen, about 78% of it. Then comes oxygen at around 21%. The rest is pretty small amounts of other gases: argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen. It all adds up to give us this atmosphere we have around the Earth.
My sixth question is, how does air help breathing?
So when you breathe in, you're actually drawing air into your lungs. Those lungs are filled with tiny air sacs called alveoli. When you inhale, oxygen from the air moves from those sacs into your bloodstream, and your blood carries that oxygen to all parts of your body. Then, when you exhale, your lungs get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product your body makes. Air gives us both the oxygen we need and the way to get rid of the waste.
Okay, my eighth question is, sorry, my seventh question is, why do animals need air?
Good catch, seventh question. Animals need air for pretty much the same reason we do. Most animals breathe in oxygen from the air to turn food into energy, just like humans. Some aquatic animals, like fish, get oxygen from the water, but it's still oxygen they're after. Without air or oxygen in the water, animals couldn't survive either.
Okay, my how does air support life on Earth?
Air supports life on Earth in a ton of ways. Obviously, breathing, like we've been talking about. Animals need it to live and get energy from food. Plants need the carbon dioxide in air for photosynthesis, which creates oxygen. Air also keeps temperatures stable by trapping heat, preventing crazy swings between day and night. Even things like the ozone layer protect us from harmful solar radiation. It's pretty fundamental to almost everything.
I think that's enough for today. I will see you in my next call, Maya. Allah Hafiz.